Hi guys, welcome. I'm Elaine from Enrol, your organizer for the upcoming SPM Masterclass. The video you're about to watch is one of 3 preview classes that Mr Anson will guide you through in solving math questions. If you want to try out the questions before watching this video, you can download it on our SPM Masterclass website. There are many topics in math that are important, and they all come out in exams. So Mr Anson will go through popular topics in the exams, such as trigonometry, matrix, and statistics. He's gonna show you different variations of those questions, so you'll be better prepared. So register now at unionroll.com/SPM Masterclass. I'll see you there.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mr Anson's third sessions of Q&A. Hai kepada semua, selamat datang ke sesi soal dan jawab yang ketiga untuk Mr Anson, right? So today I'm going to share with you this question related to matrix topic. So saya akan kongsikan topik berkaitan dengan matrix yang kamu boleh dapat markah yang sangat tinggi di sini melalui soalan ini. So you can get high marks from this question, which is 7 marks, in paper 2. So question A and question B, they are connected, most of the time. So make sure you read carefully to see whether how they can be connected. So given the matrices equations, find the value of M and N. Cari nilai M dan N jika diberi persamaan matrix seperti itu, right? So question B, using matrices method, calculate value of X and value of Y that satisfy the following matrices equation. So menggunakan kaedah matrix, hitung nilai X dan nilai Y yang memuaskan persamaan matrix berikut. So that's why you have to see your question A can give you the correct answer, then you can use it to find the question B. So let's start with question A first. So a lot of people, they don't know how to answer, they don't understand what is 1001, especially this one. So this is called identity matrix. Okay, mereka tak tahu apa ni tau, kesian betul. So this is called matrix, identity matrix. So identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Very simple. A simple mathematics. A times 1 over A, what do you get? Cut equals to 1. For matrix can or not? Yes. When you have the matrix A and you multiply the inverse matrix, you'll get back the identity matrix I. Yeah. Normally identity matrix you can see 1001, or 100 if 3 times 3, 1000, 10001. You haven't heard before, huh? So you have to stay tuned, right? How to solve question M and N. You don't think so far because it's very easy and straight. You can get the answer one. I realized that this pattern is like inverse matrix of him. You see or not? This is A. Right? That's right, you can see by comparison, N straight away is -2, N equals 3. Too fast for you to see, right? Never mind, I rewind back for you to see. Okay, rewind back. The matrix A, N -2, 5 -4, and then the inverse is -4, 2, -5, 3. Because you've forgotten the formula, right? So the formula for inverse matrix, if let's say A equals to A, B, C, D. So I want to find inverse matrix, so equals to 1 over AD minus BC. Then remember this one? Change place, change sign. AD become DA. Change sign means the BC itself, Paul become ne become Paul, correct? If positive B become negative B, if positive sign become negative sign. Okay, so make sure you recall this formula so that you can help you all to solve the question. So you see carefully the pattern, 5, -2, -5, 2. Do you see or not? They change sign, right? On this part. And then what can you see is, you have to see carefully based on the, just now I zoom in, right? Zoom in also, you can't see, never mind, I show you. This one. Oh, everyone see this one. Tengok bye-bye, yeah? N, -4, -4, 3. What they did just now? Change place. So actually, you can compare N is 3 because they change place. N -4 become -4, 3. So do you see N is actually 3? And then to find M, I told you already using the formula to find the determinant, right? This is the formula AD minus BC, means the original A matrix is what? N -2, 5 -4, right? Once you got the matrix, okay, just now you saw it's N, right? You found N is 3. and then F2 and then you got 5 and -4, right? So from here, I want you to find the m. You can use 3 times -4 and then minus -2 times 5. So 3 times -4 is -12, and then minus -2 times 5, -10, right? -9 become 4. So at the end, your answer is -2. So that's why I say m is what? -2, n is 3. And show you this working in a nicer way. Do you see that? So in your mind of solving this question, you should actually straight to the comparison straight away. Don't need to find multiply or what, don't need. So that you got m and n ready, right? Then replace in. Okay, so that's right, you replace in ready. Then you can solve the question B using matrices method. No simultaneous equation of elimination, substitution. Jangan guna kaedah penggantian atau penghapusan ya. Guna kaedah matrix. So sekarang soalan B, macam mana nak dapat markah penuh 7 markah? Tengok sini. So how to get 7 marks, full marks? Have to see here. You have to solve the what is that called? The matrices equation. So -4, 2, -5, 3. What I can say is I show you basically how to do step by step. I copy the equation. -4, -5, 2, 3, xy equals 1, 2, right? Okay. From this question, what should I do is to find xy. Do you see my next step? You have to show how to get xy. You have to kick this to the other side, right hand side. When you kick this to the other side, it becomes what? It becomes the inverse matrix. Okay, dia menjadi matrix songsang. This is a symbol. So that's right, straight away you can see this part is the inverse matrix of -4, 2, -5, 3. So you already inverse it, right? Nampak tak? Tukar tempat, tukar symbol. So lepas tu 1 over -2 and then times 1 over 2. So what should I do after that? The next step? Okay, when you have two matrices and you have 1 over -2 in front, okay, I want you to see carefully, which is you have to multiply both matrix first. Don't go and multiply 1 over -2. Later you got a lot of fraction, then you kelang kabut. So matrix first. How to do? Row times column. Okay, guna baris darab lajur kaedah untuk buat darab di antara dua matrix. So 3 times 1. Okay, this one 3 times 1, and then -2 times 2, then between plus together, right? Between plus together, right? So after that, second row times another column, 5 times 1 plus -4 times 2, okay? So some people want to use bracket to represent the times also can, or you want to use a symbol multiply straight away, up to you. As long as after that plus in between, yeah? So this one, you can see 3 times 1, 3, and then -2 times 2, -4. So -4 plus 3 is what? -1, correct or not? You'll get -1, right? Then 5 times 1, 5, plus -4 times 2, -8. 5 minus 8, so you get -3. So this one is the multiplication of these two matrices. So you got -1, -3. What should I do? Multiply at the end with 1 over -2. That's right, your answer is 1 over -2 times -1, you get 1 over 2. And then 1 over -2 times -3, you get 4, 3 over 2. So your answer xy equals to 1 over 2, 3 over 2. And please write again in this form. What is your x? What is your y? So that's the way how you solve the matrices equation, yeah? So after these third sessions of Q&A, what do you all think about all the Q&A session that you have seen and watched? And do you realize that it's much more systematic, and also you find that it's informative, and you can see how you learn the secrets and the techniques of answering the questions such that you can get full marks for the questions. And then you need to know how I'm going to continue with my session that I'll teach you and share with you more techniques and tips that can enable you to score a better result or even A+ for your SPM Mathematics. So please sign up for my masterclass that is going to be held in November. So thank you. That's all for today. So boleh nampak tak? Kamu kena ingat, kalau you sudah tonton ketiga-tiga video, iaitu berkaitan dengan sesi soal dan jawab saya, you nampak tak cara saya menjawab ada sistematik dan ada berbagai maklumat yang kamu boleh belajar daripada saya, dan saya akan tunjuk cara dan juga rahsia. So you adalah sangat bertuah hari ini, sebab saya akan bagi tahu kamu masih boleh belajar dengan saya, iaitu di masterclass yang akan berlangsung di November ini. Itu saja daripada saya dan sekian terima kasih.